So let's go over our push-pull command. In the large tool set, select the push-pull icon. Now as we hover over our surfaces, you will see the surfaces that are available to be pushed and pulled become highlighted. Let's go ahead and select this top surface and extend it up 2 feet. I'm going to type 2 feet on my keyboard and enter. Now I'm going to select this surface again and go back down 2 feet. But this time, as you can see in our status bar over here, if we hit Control, we can toggle creating a new surface or extending the surface. So I'm going to press Control once, and here we are creating a new surface. I'm going to go back down 2 feet. Now I'm going to extend the side surfaces out 2 feet. Now this time I don't want to create a new surface. I want it to extend this one, so I'm going to toggle the surface one more time, the push-pull command, and I'm going to go 2 feet out. Let's go ahead and do that on all sides. And let's go ahead and reduce this down another foot.